What if I told you there's a city that changed the way humans see the world forever? A city where art came back to life, where language was reborn, and where a single family quietly shaped the future of Europe. This is Florence. At first glance, it looks like a postcard. Warm sunlight, narrow streets, and terracotta rooftops. But beneath that beauty lies a story of ambition, genius, power, and revolution. Florence is not just a city, it is a feeling, a story written in stone, and a living masterpiece that has inspired the world for centuries. Located in the heart of Tuscany, Florence is often called the birthplace of the Renaissance, a period that reshaped art, science, and the way humanity sees itself. But Florence is more than its history. It is a place where the past and present exist side by side, where every street holds a secret and every building tells a story. In this video, we'll explore the soul of Florence, from its influence on language and literature to its revolutionary art, breathtaking architecture, and the unique charm it holds today. Florence played a key role in shaping the Italian language as we know it today. In the 13th and 14th centuries, Italy was divided into many regions, each with its own dialect. But it was here in Florence that one dialect rose above the rest, the Tuscan dialect. This transformation was largely thanks to one man, Dante Alighieri. Instead of writing in Latin, which was the language of scholars, Dante chose to write his masterpiece, the Divine Comedy, in the language of the people. This decision changed everything. His work became so influential that the Tuscan dialect eventually evolved into Standard Italian. Alongside Dante, other Florentine writers like Petrarch and Boccaccio helped solidify this linguistic foundation. Today, when people speak Italian, they are, in many ways, speaking the language of Florence. Florence is where art was reborn. During the Renaissance, artists here began to move away from medieval traditions and started exploring realism, human emotion, and perspective. This shift forever changed the course of art history. Leonardo da Vinci, a true genius ahead of his time, developed techniques that brought paintings to life. Michelangelo, another Florentine master, created works that still leave people speechless centuries later. His sculpture of David is not just a statue. It is a symbol of strength, beauty, and human potential. Florence is also home to the Uffizi Gallery, one of the most famous museums in the world. Inside, you can find masterpieces by Botticelli, including The Birth of Venus, a painting that perfectly captures the spirit of the Renaissance. Art in Florence is not hidden behind museum walls. It surrounds you everywhere. Churches, squares, and even streets become open-air galleries. Florence's skyline is dominated by one of the most remarkable architectural achievements in history, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Its massive dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, was an engineering miracle of its time. Even today, experts admire how it was built without modern technology. Climbing to the top of the dome offers one of the most unforgettable views in Italy. A sea of red rooftops stretching toward the rolling hills of Tuscany. Another iconic landmark is the Ponte Vecchio, a bridge that has stood for centuries. Unlike most bridges, it is lined with shops, originally butchers, but later replaced by jewelers to improve the smell of the area. Florence's architecture is not just beautiful. It tells a story of innovation, ambition, and artistic vision. Behind Florence's beauty lies a history of power and wealth. The Medici family, one of the most influential dynasties in Europe, ruled Florence for centuries. They were not just politicians, they were patrons of the arts. Without the Medici, many of the Renaissance's greatest masterpieces might never have existed. They supported artists, funded projects, and turned Florence into a cultural capital of the world. Their legacy can still be felt today in the palaces, museums, and artworks that define the city. Florence was even the capital of Italy for a brief period in the 19th century, a reminder of its political importance beyond art and culture. Despite its deep history, Florence is far from being stuck in the past. Today, it is a vibrant city filled with life, creativity, and modern culture. Cafes buzz with conversation, artisans continue centuries-old traditions, and locals live their daily lives surrounded by world-class art. Florence is also a paradise for food lovers. From fresh pasta to traditional Tuscan dishes, every meal here feels like an experience. And of course, no visit is complete without authentic Italian gelato. Tourists from all over the world come to Florence, yet the city still manages to feel intimate and authentic. It's a place where you can get lost, not just in its streets, but in its atmosphere. Here are a few fascinating facts that make Florence even more unique. Florence was one of the first cities in Europe to have paved streets, dating back to Roman times. The famous dome of the cathedral remains the largest brick dome ever constructed. The Ponte Vecchio survived World War II. It was the only bridge in Florence not destroyed by retreating German forces. And surprisingly, Florence is considered one of the most walkable cities in the world. Many of its main attractions are just minutes apart. Florence is not just a destination you visit, it is a place that stays with you. It is a city where art was reborn, where language found its voice, and where history continues to live in every detail. Whether you come for the culture, the architecture, or simply the atmosphere, Florence offers something timeless. Once you experience it, you begin to understand why this city has inspired generations for centuries. If you enjoyed this journey through Florence, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more stories about Italy's most incredible places. Write in the comments, which city should we explore next? And until the next video, keep discovering, keep exploring, and keep traveling.